In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve deleted text messages on an iPhone 14. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up the Messages app on your iPhone, and from here select the three lines up in the top right corner. Select Recently Deleted, and in this section right here, you can recover any messages that were deleted within the last 30 days. Simply select the message and hit recover down in the very bottom and it'll bring it back. However, if the messages aren't showing here or it's been more than 30 days, you may still be able to recover them using iCloud. So go back to the main messages section right here and then back out of this app and open up your settings. Select your name up in the very top and scroll down and select iCloud. And from here, go ahead and scroll down to the saved in iCloud section and select messages. Make sure that use on this iPhone is turned on. Whenever this setting is enabled, your messages are synced with iCloud. Even if your messages are deleted from your phone, they may still be stored in your iCloud account. So back out, open up any browser of your choice and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and check your messages there to see if the deleted texts are still available. That is it. That is how you can retrieve deleted text messages here on an iPhone 14. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.